Your credit score is more than just a number. It's a key to unlocking financial opportunities, from getting approved for loans to securing lower interest rates. But how do you improve your credit score? In this video, I'll share 5 proven strategies to help you boost your score and take control of your financial future. First, what is a credit score? Your credit score is a 3-digit number that lenders use to assess your creditworthiness. It typically ranges from 300 to 850. The higher the number, the better your credit. A good score can save you thousands of dollars in interest payments over time. Good score, 670 to 739. Excellent score, 740 plus. The most important factor affecting your credit score is payment history. It accounts for 35% of your score. Missing even one payment can significantly drop your score. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure all your bills, like credit cards, loans, and utilities, are paid on time every month. Payment history equals 35% of your score. Set payment reminders or automate payments. Keep your credit utilization low. This means using less than 30% of your total credit limit. For example, if your credit limit is $10,000, try to keep your balances under $3,000. Paying off high balances not only saves you money on interest, but also boosts your credit score. Credit utilization equals 30% of your score. Ideal utilization, below 30%. Did you know errors on your credit report could be dragging your score down? Request a free credit report from annualcreditreport.com and check for inaccuracies like incorrect late payments or accounts you don't recognize. Dispute any errors with the credit bureaus to have them corrected. Each time you apply for new credit, it triggers a hard inquiry, which can lower your score by a few points. Avoid opening multiple accounts in a short period. Instead, focus on using and managing your existing credit responsibly. Our credit history length also matters. Closing old accounts can reduce the average age of your accounts and negatively impact your score. If you're not using an older credit card, consider keeping it open to maintain a longer credit history. Length of credit history equals 15% of your score. Improving your credit score takes time and consistency, but these steps can make a big difference. Pay your bills on time, lower your credit utilization, check for errors, limit new accounts, and keep old ones open. Your financial future is in your hands. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to improving your credit score? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest personal finance tips.